farmers through the implementation of modern agricultural technology, such as drought-resistant seeds. Second, we must reduce food waste. Currently, one-third of all food is wasted, and food security analysts report that cutting this waste by half could feed over 1 billion people. Lastly, we need the utilization of social safety nets, like school meal programs, to protect vulnerable children. By making our food system more sustainable, We can end global hunger. We can end global hunger. Thank you for watching.